We cannot let this opportunity go to waste. This generation has the potential of becoming a powerful engine for growth and prosperity, not just for Africa, but for the rest of the world.
Hey guys, as you're watching this video, our vision is to reach 500,000 subscribers. Hit the subscribe button, join membership to support our channel, join Patreon and PayPal. All the links are in the description. Do that to stand with us for this beautiful cause of One Africa right now. We do not forget to sign up for the petition. The link is down below. Appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Excellency President Muhammad Ghazouani, President of the Islamic Republic of Mauritania and Chair of the African Union. Excellencies, Heads of State and Government, President Abdelmadjid Tebboune of the People's Republic, Democratic Republic of Algeria, President Bassirou Diomaye Faye of the Republic of Senegal, Excellency Moussa Faki, Chairperson of the African Union Commission, Deputy Director Ted Shaiban, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. Allow me to begin by thanking President Mohamed Ould Ghazouani for organizing this meeting and for the warm welcome and hospitality in Nouakchott. It's good to be back. Mr. President, I also take this opportunity to commend you for your leadership as chairperson of the African Union. In just a decade from now, young Africans will represent the biggest share of the global population entering the workforce. We cannot let this opportunity go to waste. This generation has the potential of becoming a powerful engine for growth and prosperity, not just for Africa, but for the rest of the world. What we need to do is equip these young people with the skills and expertise to meet the demands of the labor market. The partnership with UNICEF for digital skills and connectivity is a good model. In the coming years, science and technology will offer even more opportunities for innovation, and we need to prepare our youth for this. The bottom line is that we must invest in building stronger education systems. The economic impact of giving every child the right to learn should not be underestimated. Studies show that for one additional year in school, earnings can increase by 10%. There is no exaggeration in saying that education can transform lives. One of the biggest challenges Africa faces today is the shortfall in global education funding. I want to propose two solutions to close this gap. For one, it is Africa's responsibility to better manage our resources. Relying on external support alone is not a realistic strategy. Effective partnerships should not be confused with outsourcing responsibility or leadership. It is not a question about being big or small or having sufficient resources. It is about making the right choices. This is well within Africa's means. When you take ownership, this becomes even more attractive to those that will want to invest in and with us. In Rwanda, we have increased the share of education spending in our budget from 11% in the year 2020 to 17% in the year 2024. How we spend also matters. The focus should be on quality if we want to see long-term results. This means training and hiring better qualified teachers, modernizing the curriculum, and encouraging critical thinking rather than rote memorization. Second, multilateral institutions should harmonize their efforts with the national governments and increase the available funding. It is in this that there is everyone's interest to boost our continent's productivity. More and more countries are also now calling for the reform of the global financial architecture. This is only fair. What developing countries need in order to meet our development goals is more fiscal space, not more debt. To close, I ask that we look at the bigger picture. As we speak, many young Africans are putting their lives in danger to go find better opportunities abroad. This is a sign that we need to do more to empower our youth. This is a sign that there is more to do and that there is more we can do. Africa is our common home, and we must ensure that every African has a future in this continent. I thank you for your kind attention.